Hi everyone, I'm Aviva, a designer and educator at Elementor. I'd like to welcome you to this course, How to Build Your First Website with Elementor. We here at Elementor have created this course especially for beginner Elementor users to teach you the fundamentals of using Elementor to create your very first website and at the same time have fun building it. In this course, we'll create this striking 3-page website for Samaya, a vegan restaurant that offers a mouth-watering plant-based menu. But of course, you can use the same layout and techniques and apply them to any type of industry. This course will cover installing and activating the Hello theme, creating web pages and a navigation menu in WordPress, setting up your design system and website structure for your Elementor website, creating a header and footer using Elementor's Hello theme, using the Elementor editor to build and fully style your entire website, responsive editing, website optimization methods, and lots of other tips and tricks along the way, including best practices and ways to streamline your workflow. All you'll need to get started is a WordPress website and the free version of the Elementor Website Builder plugin. I also suggest using a clean installation of WordPress. If you don't yet have a WordPress website or the Elementor plugin installed, see the links in the description to get set up for this course. You can follow along and apply your own style, content, and images for your personal or clients' needs. Last but not least, I highly recommend watching each video all the way through and in the correct order, as skipping steps may end in some unexpected results. Be sure to bookmark the course so you can come back to it at any time. Keep watching to get started with our first lesson, where we'll install our theme, set up our pages, and add a navigation menu. See you there!